from outer space. I got Milky Way for blood, evolution in my veins.
Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra, back with another video. How to enhance your video quality. A bunch of videos available regarding Wing Cap on my channel. If you are new to my channel, so make sure watch till then and don't skip any part of the video to know how to enhance your video quality using Wing Cap. Before it, a repair tool providing you the 10 free videos per day or the 10 free images per day, but right now this reduced to 3 images or 3 videos per day. By the way, new to my channel, make sure to consider subscribe to get more videos like this one. This video is the 480p resolution, and now I selected 2K plus portrait enhancement. Not use HD or HD plus Ultra HD. Use portrait for faces or the portrait videos like this one. You can see here the before and after results. The after results is literally mind-blowing, and you can see here the day and night difference. Let me show you how you can even make it better. Click on save button, which is on the top right side. After that, this type of interface appear. Click on more features. This will be redirect you to video editing timeline of the Wing Cap. Right now you can see here a tuning feature. Click on it and then 3 options appear: templates, filters and the tuning. Templates only appear when you log in or sign up on the app. After that, here is the filters. You can use the filter without login, and as well as the tuning feature. I am going to increase the sharpness and adjust other necessary colors, as well as some other tools available which is not available in other video editing apps. Right now the AI enhancement and HSL tool as well as the light is the most unique one, which is not in other ones. Let me tell you why. I will show you which thing makes HSL of the Wing app unique from others. My dream is 100k subscribers. I hope every viewer subscribe to my channel to make it happen and complete my dream. I am doing necessary adjustments to the video colors. We have highlights, shadows, contrast, saturation, just like the other video editing apps. HSL tool is really mind-blowing in Wing Cap. You have key or the color selection tool. You can use it to select specific color for a skin tone or any colors to make it perfect according to your choice or preference, which is mind-blowing in my opinion. And this is not available in any other dating app. HSL tool is available but not the color selection or the key tool, which is really handy and comes to convenience when you are going to do specific colors. Make sure export video always in the original resolution as well as FPS to get the highest possible quality. This is the video for today. I hope you really like it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.